I'm Sir Ricky Bobby, this is Empires and Cocktails, and it is Tequila Month. What more do I need to say? Today's cocktail is the Mexican Firing Squad, so I thought I would arrange a little shootout of my own. I am going to shoot myself with a little silver Patron. Fire at will. Martha, I'm coming home. All right, let's get this party underway. Let's mix the Mexican Firing Squad. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. 3/4 ounce of grenadine. 2 ounces Mezcal tequila. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Any last request? About 3 drops of bitters. And that's the Mexican Firing Squad. Today's words of wisdom are common sense. It would appear that common sense is not a common thing. Some of the biggest minds of all time were as smart as shit, but couldn't even reason away the simplest of trivial mundanities. I mean, what did minds like Einstein really do for us? If he hadn't been born, how different would the world have turned out? I bet he only advanced us like 4 years tops. If Einstein hadn't been born, we would still be in the mid-2010s trying to figure out, what does the fox say? Ring-a-ding-ding-ding-ding. But back to common sense. Common sense is the ability to carry yourself through life with a level head, dealing with things rationally as they happen. You don't feel the need to spout equations and scientific tidbits at the Thanksgiving Day meal because you're not trying to prove anything. Bit of advice, if you have to prove you have common sense, you don't have it. So we used to tell people, because Dad, when he would talk to us, would do this finger in the chest, and we'd always say, man, I hate it when Dad gives you the finger. Now, we didn't think anything of it, but people would think we were... All right.